Hello decoration lovers and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm so excited to share some fantastic Christmas decorative ideas for your indoor windows today. Christmas is a magical time of year, and what better way to spread that magic than by decorating your windows? Whether you have a traditional or modern aesthetic, there's something for everyone in this video. So, let's dive into these wonderful holiday decorating ideas. One of the easiest and most affordable ways to decorate your indoor windows is by using window clings and stickers. These come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and designs, making it super easy to find something that suits your style. You can go for classic snowflakes, Santa Claus, reindeer, or even Christmas trees. They adhere to the window without any glue or residue, and they're easy to reposition if you want to change things up. To use window clings and stickers effectively, start by cleaning your windows to ensure they're free of dust and dirt. Then, simply peel off the backing and press them onto your windows. You can get creative with the arrangement, placing them wherever you like. These decorations are perfect if you want a hassle-free, temporary way to bring some festive cheer to your indoor windows. Wreaths and garlands are classic Christmas decorations that work wonderfully on indoor windows. You can choose between real or artificial options, depending on your preference and how long you want to keep them up. Here's how to make the most of these holiday staples. Select a wreath that complements your interior decor. You can go for traditional evergreen wreaths with red bows and ornaments or something more minimalist and modern. Hang your wreath using a suction cup hook or a clear adhesive hook on the window. Make sure it's securely fastened. To add an extra touch, consider weaving some battery-operated fairy lights into the wreath for a warm, inviting glow during the evenings. Garlands. Drape garlands along the window frame or sill. You can use command hooks to secure them in place without causing any damage to your window frame. If you have a ledge or sill, you can also lay garland along it, adding small ornaments or pine cones for extra flair. For a rustic look, try using burlap or twine garlands mixed with greenery. Another fantastic way to transform your indoor windows for Christmas is by swapping out your regular curtains or drapes with festive alternatives. Here's what you can do. Look for curtains or drapes in holiday-themed colors like deep red, forest green, or rich gold. Opt for fabrics with patterns that scream Christmas, such as plaid, snowflakes, or reindeer motifs. If you're feeling crafty, you can even make your own holiday-themed curtains by sewing fabric with your preferred Christmas design. Consider adding string lights behind your curtains to create a warm, magical ambience in your room during the evening. Window silhouettes are a creative and eye-catching way to decorate your indoor windows for Christmas. You can create these yourself or purchase pre-made designs. Here's how to get started. Find an image or design that you'd like to use. It could be a classic Christmas scene, like a snowy landscape or Santa and his reindeer. Enlarge the image to the size of your window and print it out on multiple sheets of paper. Tape the printed sheets together and cut out the design to create a stencil. Trace the stencil onto black construction paper or black cardboard and cut it out. Attach the silhouette to your window using double-sided tape or removable adhesive putty. For added effect, you can backlight the silhouette with LED strip lights to make it stand out at night. Many stores offer pre-made Christmas window silhouette decorations. These are typically made from lightweight materials and come in various designs. To install them, simply attach them to your window using suction cups or adhesive hooks. Make sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions for the best results. Some pre-made silhouettes even come with built-in LED lights for a captivating nighttime display. If you have windowsills, why not turn them into mini Christmas tree displays? Here's what you can do. Choose small, potted Christmas trees or miniature artificial trees that fit nicely on your windowsills. Decorate the trees with tiny ornaments, tinsel, and battery-operated string lights. Place them in decorative pots or baskets to add extra charm. For a cohesive look, coordinate the tree decorations with your overall interior theme. Create a winter wonderland inside your home by using snow spray and frosting to decorate your windows. This technique is especially great if you want to achieve a snowy effect without the cold. Apply snow spray or frosting to the inside of your windows to create a frosty appearance. You can find these products at most craft stores. Use stencils or freehand designs to create intricate snowflake patterns or even write festive messages. Be sure to follow the application instructions on the product packaging for the best results. To add some extra pizzazz, place battery-operated candles on your windowsills to create a warm, cozy atmosphere. Get crafty this Christmas by making your own paper window decorations. It's a fun project that you can do with the whole family. Here's how. Gather colored paper, scissors, and string lights. Create paper ornaments, stars, or even Santa Claus figures by cutting and folding the paper. Attach the paper decorations to your window using clear tape or removable adhesive putty. String the lights along the window frame or sill to illuminate your paper creations. For those who want to embrace the religious aspect of Christmas, consider setting up a nativity scene on your window ledge. Here's what you'll need. A nativity set that fits nicely on your windowsill or ledge. Arrange the figures carefully, making sure they're visible from both inside and outside. Add some greenery or faux snow to create a beautiful backdrop for your nativity scene. Make your windows twinkle with hanging ornaments. This DIY project is a great way to showcase your favorite ornaments and add a festive touch to your windows. Attach adhesive hooks or removable suction cups to your window frame. Hang colorful and sparkling ornaments at different heights using transparent fishing line. Be sure to secure the line well so that your ornaments don't come crashing down. When the sunlight hits them, your windows will be filled with dazzling reflections. If you have a window seat, take advantage of the space by adding Christmas-themed cushions. Here's how. Find cushions in holiday colors or patterns. Add some Christmas-themed throw pillows for extra comfort. Place a cozy blanket nearby for those chilly winter days. This will not only make your window area look inviting but also provide a comfortable spot to relax and enjoy the view. Create a warm and rustic ambience with DIY mason jar candle holders. Here's what you'll need. Mason jars in different sizes. Red, green, or white paint for a festive touch. Twine or ribbon for decoration. Tea light candles or battery-operated LED candles. Paint the mason jars in your chosen Christmas colors. You can create patterns like stripes, polka dots, or even paint them to resemble snowmen or Santas. Once the paint is dry, tie twine or ribbon around the top of each jar to add a decorative element. Place tea light candles inside the jars or use battery-operated LED candles for safety. Arrange the mason jar candle holders on your windowsill or hang them with hooks to create a cozy, flickering display. Turn your windows into works of art with some DIY creativity. Here's how. Gather washable window markers or chalk markers in festive colors. Plan your design. You can go for classic holiday symbols like ornaments, candy canes, or even a winter scene with snowmen. Start drawing directly on your windows. If you make a mistake, don't worry, you can easily wipe it off and try again. Invite the whole family to join in the fun and create a collaborative Christmas masterpiece. If you have a windowsill or ledge that can accommodate a window box, you can create a stunning display of Christmas greenery and ornaments. Here's what you'll need. A window box or container that fits your windowsill. Evergreen branches or artificial greenery. Pine cones, ornaments, and ribbon for decoration. Battery-operated string lights for added sparkle. Fill the window box with evergreen branches or artificial greenery, making sure it's lush and full. Add pine cones, ornaments, and ribbon among the greenery to create a festive arrangement. String the battery-operated lights through the greenery, ensuring they're evenly distributed. Place the window box on your windowsill, and your indoor windows will come to life with Christmas charm. Decorating your indoor windows for Christmas can be a joyful and creative endeavor that spreads holiday cheer throughout your home. With a wide range of options to choose from, you can tailor your window decorations to match your personal style, whether it's traditional, modern, or whimsical. From window clings and wreaths to DIY projects and illuminated displays, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Remember to keep safety in mind when decorating your indoor windows, especially when using lights or flammable materials. Consider using battery-operated LED lights for a safe and energy-efficient option. No matter which Christmas window decorations you choose, the goal is to create a warm and inviting atmosphere that celebrates the spirit of the season. So, gather your family and friends, get creative, and let your indoor windows become a canvas for holiday magic. Wishing you a Merry Christmas filled with love, joy, and beautiful window displays. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow holiday enthusiasts. Happy decorating!